How to block adult websites on your Windows. Let's get started. First, navigate to the search bar at the bottom left and then type in View Network Connection. Click on the result that appears. This will open your list of available internet connections. Find the connection you are currently using. Example, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, look for Internet Protocol version. Select it, then click on Properties button below. Now check the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. We will be using clean browsing, a free DNS that automatically blocks adult content. For the preferred DNS server, type in 185.228.168.168. And for the alternate DNS server, type in 185.228.169.168. These are Clean Browsing's family filter DNS addresses. Once you have entered the DNS values, click OK, then click Close on the previous window. That's it. Your computer will now use Clean Browsing filter, which blocks most adult websites system-wide. This method is quick, free, and does not require installing any additional software. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.